All right, fellas, welcome back. Real quick video I'm gonna make right now. This is gonna be a video on that Nissan Altima, the 2014 to 2018 Nissan Altima, on how to reset your maintenance light or your oil change light. I'm gonna go through some of the menu steps in there as well. A couple of things that go through the menu in there, or that are on the menu in there. But mainly, it's basically to show you guys how to reset those maintenance lights. I know there's a lot of people who have questions on how to reset those lights. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you that today. All right, we're in the car now, guys, and I'm gonna just be showing you this quick kind of walk around or visual of this display here. So you got your temperature, your outside temperature there, your miles or your odometer, and your miles to empty. Display a picture of the car, and of course, what gear you're in. We're parked sitting in the garage right now. So to reset to reset your maintenance light, it's simple. You're going to hit the button on the steering wheel. There's a button on the left side of the steering wheel, which I'll be showing you in the illustration here. And that scrolls through your whole entire menu. When you get down to this part right here, which is settings, you are going to bring this down all the way till you hit maintenance. You're going to push the enter button, service, and then the original one that's going to be highlighted, or normally the one that's going to be highlighted, will be the setting you have it at for the warning to come on. 5,000 miles, 3,000 miles, 7,000 miles. Not sure what your guys are set at. Most of them should be set, or all of them should be set at 5,000 miles on these vehicles. You're going to scroll down to reset, and you're going to hit enter on reset. That'll bring that down to 0. All right? That's that simple. Then you're going to hit the back button, and then scroll down to the next one and keep doing the same thing as you go through all of them. Tires, and if you have the other. After you're done with that, you're going to hit the back button again, and then once more to get to that setting, and then you're going to hit the button that has a small square on it on your menu, and that'll bring you right back to the beginning page here. That is it. That same square button again scrolls through all the settings on your screen there to get you down to your settings page. That is all this video was about. Thank you for joining me. I hope this helps you guys out. Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks.